hindi naman ako teenager para pag-usapan. And magulo lang magulo. So whatever I have or what I don't have, I like to keep it private na lang pagdating sa puso or personal life.
Solo ka na lang ba sa bahay?
Hindi, kasama ko pa rin si Angelique. Kasama ko naman yung mga bata. Si Cheska lang yung medyo mahihiwalay sa akin.
So far from empty nester ka?
Ha?
Far from being an empty nester?
Oo naman. Oo, with my 7 dogs, with my kids
Grabe,
around, my friends and family.
7 dogs, 3 kids. How's your day life?
Happy. Diba? Pagkasama mo sila, yung mga anak ko, alam naman natin pag babae, maiingay. Diba? Masaya lang kami sa bahay. Netflix, nanonood ng movies, nagluluto, kinukulit yung mga aso, papasok sila lahat sa kwarto. So, minsan ako pa nga yung kasi gusto ko tahimik lang. Alam na natin, pag medyo nag-iigad na, ayaw na natin ng maingay. So, sinasabi ko minsan, anak, sige na, matutulog na si mami. Ang iingay ninyo masyado. Ganun.
And now that you're saying na nagkakaedad, so to speak, how do you deal with relationships now? Because yung last one was very public.
For now, after the very public relationship I had with my ex, I'd rather keep quiet na lang.
Pero friends pa kayo ng ex mo? O hindi? Are you seeing someone right now?
Or no? Yung tinatanong, am I seeing someone daw right
Pwede ba sagutin? Are you seeing someone right now?
No, parang I don't really want to talk about it. So balato nyo na lang sa akin. I'm turning 47. Oo, mga anak na lang pagkwentuhan na. Ayan, nagre-react ang So, yun.
Tayo na lang makilala ka lang. You are very open.
Ate Rose, tama na yun.
Si Ate Rose yung nagtatanong. Si Ate Rose yung nagtatanong.
Wala
Hindi
ka
na ako.
lang angle na makikita dyan.
Ako, Ate Rose.
Hindi, parang sa akin, parang hindi naman ako teenager para pag-usapan. And magulo lang magulo. So whatever I have or what I don't have, I like to keep it private na lang pagdating sa puso or personal life.
But is it just now that you found yourself na parang mas interested bigla yung tao, di ba? So who you're dating, who you're seeing.
I don't understand kung bakit Pero balato nyo na lang sa akin.
Ito na lang siya. Pero masaya ang pupuno ngayon.
Hindi ko alam, Ate Rose.
Alam mo, hindi ikaw yan.
Ate Rose, sige.
Nakalikot siya. Yun.
Yeah, but yun nga, no, but right now, yun nga, lagi na bring up yung name mo in terms of the dating scene and people, yung mga suitor mo right now na high profile. What do you want to tell the public about that?
Nothing. I don't owe anyone an explanation with regards to my private life. Just as long as I know that I'm doing what I can for my children and for my life. Parang, para sa akin, trabaho, pag-usapan natin, mga anak ko, pag-usapan natin. Even yung travel ng mga anak ko, kasama si Cesar recently, they went to the US for the first time. No, actually, it's not first time. First time na nung naghiwalay kami, kasama nila yung Tita Candy at si Cesar, they had a wonderful time. Yung gano'n na lang. Pero yung pagdating sa puso or personal life ko, wag mo na.
Balik po kay Chestes, ano po yung advice nyo when it comes to independence?
Una-una sa lahat, sabi ko lalagyan ko siya ng CCTV.
Bakit natatakot ka? Oo.
Oo, all real life kasama ko siya sa bahay. Kaya nga I was thinking na hindi ka makakapasa sa Ateneo, maglasal top ka na lang. Yun yung iniisip ko biglang nakapasa. So, basta sinasabi ko lang, you have to be very careful, lagi mong ilalak yung pinto, but anak, don't get me wrong, but I need to put CCTV on your room. Hindi naman sa may kama, hindi naman sa bed. Of course, I'll respect your privacy, but of course, I need to check on you. Baby ko yan bunso ko yan. Pero yun lang sinasabi ko, huwag magtitiwala, mag-iingat. Sabi niya, Mommy, I'm going to buy pepper spray. Yes, buy pepper spray, sabi ko. So, unti-unti, and I know my kids naman are napalaki ko rin naman silang independent, kahit nandyan ako. Pag meron silang mga kailangan, projects sa school, or may kailangan sila sa mall, kahit hindi ko sinasamahan, kaya naman nila mga sarili nila.
They're all in school now, but do you allow them to date?
Yes. Yes. I allow them to date just as long as focus nila ang kanilang pag-aaral. And parang for me, wala akong karapatang magreklamo or magalit sa kanila kasi puro honor students. And alam nila ang prioridad nila at irerespeto nila kung ano yung curfew. Mababait na mga bata and honest naman sila sa akin. Wala silang pinapalo. So far, so good, thank God.